it's going now. I didn't get it all that time. Darn it!
Oh my god.
I missed the mall.
I think I got that part.
Thanks. You would.
Yes, I would. Now wouldn't I? Yes, I would. Oh, yes.
Oh, my finger's right on the button. Oh no.
Don't let go.
I'll try not to. Boy, what's he doing? He's taking pictures. See?
You have to do it again. More thunder, please. Thunder, 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 please. Thunder, thunder.
No, we want lightning.
Is that what it was?
Cool breeze.
Oh, hey, look! The clouds are moving pretty fast.
They're forming again.
Oh, and it's right above us. Oh, sweetness.
If you hear any doink, doink, that'll be funny. They'll get caught up. They're coming in now.
Don't put the umbrella up!
Put the umbrella down.
Umbrella down! Umbrella!
Whoa. What's the matter, kids? Was that like right over you? Drop the umbrella. Don't bring it near me. That was a cool one. Did you feel it?
Yeah.
Did you feel it?
Dude, yeah, like why do you think I grabbed on the whole thing? Like, I was like, all I could see like behind his whole head was just like,
I'm okay with that.
I'm gonna add that all recorded too. Video.
All of it? The whole thing? Her?
Yeah.
Her screaming at you like... I think Faith and I both screamed at the same
I jumped. Oh,
I clung on.
dude, my heart went down into my stomach. Dude, I can feel something in my stomach.
was
It went
great.
up into your throat.
No, it went down into my stomach.
Did you get a phone call?
I heard something. It sounded like over there.
I hear.
All animals coming to the house. You can
No.
see.
Poor Onyx.
Onyx is probably, oh, poor Onyx.
I'm gonna see if I can go out there and get some good coverage.
Wait, you going back out there?
Yeah.
You were staying. Dude, I'm shaking. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. I be shaking, 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 shaking. It's gonna come. It's gonna come.
I was just saying to Faith too, watch, it's going to start to hail again and they'll get